It's the second day of ruckus in Delhi MCD House. As soon as the session started today, chaos erupted in the House. Congress and BJP councillors were seen staging protests, as well as the Aam Aadmi Party councillors who were protesting and chanting slogans.
Another day and another episode of ruckus at the MCD House. Today, in fact, the special session of the MCD was called for the finalization of the MCD budget. But what we witnessed was certainly an ugly picture for the people of Delhi. We saw that the councillors of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party were staging a protest against each other by standing on the desk and raising slogans and calling each other chor. In fact, we saw that in the sloganeering, there were also Congress councillors who started raising slogans, regarding the constitution. Now, in fact, the details in fact have come and how the parties have reacted is that the BJP says that the entire budget, if you look at the entire money that has been used by the Aam Aadmi Party government in MCD has been used for nothing but corruption. They allege that not even a single work has been done under the Aam Aadmi Party government in MCD. While on the other hand, the mayor, that is of the Aam Aadmi Party, and also the leader of the House of Aam Aadmi Party, they both have in fact shifted the blame of this ruckus on the BJP, saying in fact that it was the BJP councillors who did not behave properly in the MCD. They tore the pages of the budget that was given to them, and all of this because the BJP is frustrated. So certainly we are seeing that there is a continuous war of words from both the sides, but the matter remains that even today, when it was regarding an important issue, that is the finalization of budget for MCD, the biggest civic body here in the national capital, that in fact could not be done. Remains to be seen how it will be going further, but certainly a very ugly message that has today gone to the people, to the residents of the national capital, when the elected councillors have behaved yet again in this way. Now with camera person Ranjit, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.